If you still think the Airbnb algorithm is just boosting new hosts or flipping on smart pricing, I have something to tell you. You're playing 2026 like it's a 2018 mindset. Views without bookings or your calendar often died after an update. It's not a black box. We run multiple large group listings and test with price labs and market dashboards. This is a practical framework that I'll talk about today that matches what exactly moves the needle. And I'm going to show you the exact 5-step booking funnel Airbnb uses to judge you, so you know exactly which levers to pull to send strong signals and get more large group bookings this year right now. Let's start off first with the funnel. This is demand, impressions, and click-through rates, as well as conversions and what happens after post-booking. So if you only tweak a little title or price, you're taking one step out of 5. Now, most hosts, they fixate on pricing and ignore behavior across the entire journey. Search, click, view, book, cancel. We're gonna walk through every single step, what matters, and what to change right now this week. Ask yourself as we go, which step is actually broken for me right now? So step 1 is demand. Before you blame the algorithm, check if you are in a tiny pod. And what I mean by that, if market demand is soft, no micro setting is going to save you. Use price labs, market dashboards to check occupancy, average daily rate, and seasonality for your area as well as property type. You're gonna separate niche demand like luxury group stays from broad demand. In high demand, you're gonna focus on rank as well as conversion. And in low demand, you wanna reposition with categories and use cases, or adjust pricing strategy and expectations. Step number 2 is impressions. So most view problems are impression problems. So if you're not being shown on the first, second, or third page where most of the bookings happen, you cannot be clicked on. Airbnb filters very hard here. Availability and minimum nights matter. Very high minimums knock you out of weekend searches. And price positioning must be reasonable versus your peers or competitors. Ratings under a trust threshold will not sit at the top of the search results. So, fresh activity, correct categories, amenity checkboxes, your responsiveness to the guest, and possibly Superhost, but more importantly, a guest favorite badge is going to help you the most. You're gonna lower your minimums on peak weekends to protect profit with higher nightly and multi-night discounts, or what we call length of stay discounts. Weekly, you wanna compare yourself against the top 10 in the market. You wanna update small details. You wanna answer fast within 2 minutes or less. Pre-approve decisively, and then screen your guests using a tool called AutoHost. Step number 3, click-through rate. Win the thumbnail war. The hero image is your king to winning this. Outside is going to be beating kitchen view, unless yours is truly some kind of standout. Most of everyone has a kitchen. You have to sell the vibe. Pool, view, hot tub, fire pit. You want to front load your title with the capacity and marquee features. Your first 5 photos are going to do all of the heavy lifting for you. Your hero, your best interior, the master bedroom, and a kitchen. And then you maybe a group hangout space. Run simple thumbnail test for 1 to 2 weeks and watch your click-through rate, or your CTR. Step number 4, conversion, what we all love. Loads of views, few bookings equals a mismatch. You want to complete photo coverage per room. clear sleeping layout, do a 3D floor plan, and write your description like a sales copy, and at the end with a call to action. Align your cancellation policy with local norms or beat them. Step 5, post booking signals. So high cancellations are gonna hurt you. Send a warm confirmation, share key information early, and you wanna reduce surprises. Confident guests, they're gonna stick and leave you a 5-star review, which is gonna boost your impressions as well as conversion. The takeaway here is the algorithm is simply a 5-step funnel. Fix the broken step first. Comment which step that you're gonna fix today, and please hit that subscribe button if you find this helpful for more large group strategies. We use Price Labs and we do KPI checks weekly. Next up, we're gonna live test 5 thumbnails and build a pricing stack for peak weekends. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.